Here's one of the best cleaning solutions that you can make yourself to thoroughly deep clean your fridge. I'm willing to bet these are in here for a banana bread at some point. Take 1 cup hydrogen peroxide, a teaspoon of dish soap, and let me tell you why this works wonders. The first reason, it sanitizes. That is something you want when you're cleaning a fridge. It's important to sanitize to kill bacteria and viruses. You don't want that stuff anywhere near the food that you eat. The second thing about hydrogen peroxide is it helps to eliminate odors. Nobody wants to open the fridge and it smells like something you cooked 2 weeks ago. The third reason, it is amazing for stain removal. Blueberries, tomato sauce, whatever you have in your food, if you had an accident and now you have stains to clean, this cleaning solution will definitely get rid of it. And the last point, it is non-toxic. There is chemicals out there that work great for cleaning, but do you really want them around your food?